Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer files from your flash drive to your Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply for the other Redmi Note 14 phones. Now, first things first, you have to connect your flash drive to your Redmi Note 14, and I've done a video about how to connect your flash drive to your Redmi Note 14. So I'll link it down in the description below. So let me just connect my flash drive to my Redmi Note 14. Now, once you have connected your flash drive, all you have to do is simply open the Files app or the File Manager application on your Redmi Note 14. So let me just open my File Manager. And then from here, simply tap on Storage at the bottom right corner. And then from here, you should see your USB flash drive. Simply tap on it, and you can access all the USB flash drive content on your Redmi Note 14. Now, if you'd like to transfer a file from your USB flash drive to your Redmi Note 14, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is simply access the USB flash drive storage and find the file that you'd like to move or to copy from your flash drive to your Redmi Note 14. So let's say, for instance, I'd like to move this file, the MP4 file. All I have to do is press and hold it. And then from the options that appear at the bottom of the screen, simply tap on Move. Or if you'd like to copy that particular file and have a copy on your flash drive, you can simply tap on More at the bottom right corner and select Copy. So you can either choose to move that file from your flash drive to your phone, or you can choose to copy. So if you want to move it, simply tap on Move at the bottom of the screen. If you like to copy, simply tap on More and then select Copy. And then now, once you select the option that you'd like to choose, be it move or copy, you'll have to find the place or a location that you'd like to send that particular file to. So since you're sending it to my phone, so I'll just select internal shared storage, tap on that, and then you can find the folder that you'd like to use to transfer that particular image or transfer that particular file. But in case you want to have a separate file, you can simply tap on this icon to create a new folder. So tap on it and then type in the word for that particular folder. So let's say transfer files from USB, from flash drive. Then tap on OK. Now, once you have created that file, all you have to do is locate that particular file. Here it is. And then tap on it. And then all you have to do is simply tap on the check mark at the top right corner to copy that file from your flash drive to your Redmi Note 14. So tap on that and you should see the process copying. Now, when you go to your storage, internal storage, you can find that particular folder. Here it is. And then now you can see that particular file has been transferred from your USB flash drive to your Redmi Note 14. So that's basically it on how to transfer files from your Redmi, or rather from your USB flash drive to your Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.